So, what are perpendicular lines? Perpendicular lines are two line segments that intersect and forms right angles, as shown below. Let us try to find one of the line equation by this example. Find the equation of the perpendicular line passing through -8x plus 4y equals 12. At first, we will be needing the standard form formula, y is equal to mx plus b, so we can arrange the given equation accordingly. Now let us follow the standard form formula for the line, and rearrange our given equation, from this to this, and take note of the signs. Now the next is to find the value of x and y. At first, let's look for the value of y. Since y is accompanied by the numerical coefficient 4, we have to remove it, as we only need the y. To remove it, we will use the division property of equality, by dividing all the terms by 4. Now we have y is equal to 2x plus 3, and we are now ready to get the value of x and y, in the standard from formula. Since b is the intercept of y, the value of y now is equal to 3. Let us now look for the value of x. To do that, let's put y to 0, which will give us 2x plus 3 equals 0. What we did here is the addition property of equality, by adding -3 to both sides, and the result is 2x is equal to -3. Now, what we need is only the x, and we have to remove the numerical coefficient 2. To remove it, we do the division property of equality, by dividing 2 on both sides. And the result is, x is equal to -3 over 2. We now have the coordinates of x and y, as shown in blue color. We have to mark it, as we will be using that a little bit later. For now, what we need to do is, to separate the value of x and y. To this, now we have also to mark this, for us not to be confused. As you can see, we marked it as x of 1, y of 1, x of 2 and y of 2. The next thing to do is to find the slope. This is the formula for the slope as shown. All we have to do is substitute with the values above. Assuming that the calculations are correct, we arrive with the slope equal to 2, but this slope is the slope of the given equation. Since we are finding the equation of the line passing the given, we will be needing the slope of that line. To get that, we will do the reciprocal of 2. We now have the slope of the perpendicular line, which is -1/2. Just don't forget to change the sign when you do the reciprocal. I guess our data is complete. We now have the coordinates and the slope. To form the equation of the line perpendicular to the given, we will be needing the formula called point-slope form. This is the final formula. As usual, we just need to substitute with the values we have from the left. This is now what we have after the substitution. First, let's make the parenthesis simpler. Just like that. Now take a look at the slope. What we do here is distribute the denominator, by multiplication to the left, and the numerator to the right. Remember that numerator takes the sign, so it's -1 to the right. After doing that, we now have 2y minus 6 is equal to -x minus 3/2. Now we are ready to arrange the terms. I thought that was the last formula. Sorry, I lied, but it's just the standard form of a line. Now, we just arrange our answer according to that form. To follow the formula, we have to eliminate 2, accompanied by the y, and assuming that the calculations are correct, we arrive with y is equal to -1/2 x, minus 8, and that's our final answer. Here is a picture from my graphing calculator. The result is perpendicular. If you want to have some practice, you may find the equation perpendicular to the following. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.